My thanks to Avast for the article on their blog which inspired this video. You'll find that article at the link listed. Everyone is looking for a deal on textbooks this back-to-school season. You know it, but so do the scammers. Here's what to look for with ebook scams. The practice of buying textbooks is practically a scam itself. Spending hundreds of dollars twice a year for books that you're not even guaranteed to use. No wonder so many students try to find cheaper alternatives. But do you know what's worse than having to pay full price for your textbooks? Giving your credit card number to a sketchy website and getting literally scammed. Before diving down that discount textbook rabbit hole, here are some of the things you should be on the lookout for and what you can do to keep yourself and, more importantly, your wallet safe. Types of textbook sites. If you're on the hunt for discount books, there are a handful of different types of sites you're likely to encounter. First off, there are the big resellers like Amazon and Chegg. You're probably not likely to find any insane steals here. They might even end up costing more than your campus bookstore, but they're an all-right first step. Next are the actual publishers of the books. It really depends on what type of book you're looking for, but sometimes cutting out the middleman and buying direct can be the cheapest way to go. Finally, just Googling discount textbooks will give you hundreds of other less popular retailers. While the bigger sites like Amazon and Chegg can charge premium on their prices because of their name recognition, the smaller retailers price their books far cheaper in order to remain competitive. This is where the real deals are found, but it's also where you're most likely to be scammed. For every legit site that's offering half-price ebooks, there are 5 copycats waiting for you to input your credit card and give you nothing in return. Luckily, telling a real site from a fake site is just a matter of knowing what to look for. Spotting a scam. There are 5 things you're going to want to look at when it comes to spotting these scam sites. 1. The URL. Check the website's domain name and URL. Legitimate sites should have a secure connection, indicated by HTTPS at the beginning of the URL. All websites with any sort of legitimacy are encrypted to protect themselves during transactions. So a URL missing the HTTPS should be a massive red flag. Also, make sure that the website's name is spelled correctly in the URL. For example, if the website is named Discount Texts, but the URL is missing the S in discount, it could be impersonating another website. 2. Website design and functionality. Genuine textbook sites invest in a user-friendly design and interface. Look for a well-organized website with clear navigation, functional search options, and professional-looking aesthetics. If you notice typos, low-quality images, or excessive ads, you might want to consider taking your business elsewhere. 3. Pricing and payment methods. Be cautious of textbook sites that offer significantly lower prices than other reputable retailers. I know you've heard me say this before, but if the deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Trustworthy sites also offer various payment options like credit, debit, Amazon Pay, or PayPal. Be cautious if there's only 1 or 2 options available, especially if they're untraceable, like crypto or gift cards. Or brand transparency. Genuine retailers will usually provide transparent contact information, like an email address, phone number, or even a physical address. For this information, and consider reaching out to them with any questions before making a purchase. 5. The website's reputation. Sometimes quickly searching the site's name and looking for any news articles or customer complaints is enough to determine whether it's trustworthy or not. Just remember to be cautious of relying solely on customer reviews and ratings, because a lot of fake sites are known to fabricate positive feedback. You can also use a domain checker to see how old the website is and where it's registered. If the website was created just a few weeks before the start of a new semester and is based out of some far-off country, it might be smart to stay away. Our picks. If you want to save some time or just need some examples of what a legitimate website looks like, here are a few discount textbook retailers we've already checked out. Plug Books, dealing mostly in used books, textbooks. Slug Books is a sound choice if you're looking for physical copies. Direct Textbook, probably the most established supplier on our list. Direct Textbook has sold over 20 million books since 2002. NetBooks, one of the smaller sites out there. NetBooks always offers free shipping and has some great deals if you're willing to hunt for them. Scribed is actually a subscription-based service, letting you check out as many textbooks as you want for $8.99 a month, with the first month free. eBooks, with a massive selection and relatively competitive prices, eBooks is your go-to if you can't find what you're looking for anywhere else. Stay safe, stay secure. Get your textbooks cheaply, but from reputable places. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.